won't, said the freight cars. We want a proper engine, not a red monster. James took no notice and started as soon as the conductor was ready. Come along, he puffed. We won't, screamed the freight cars. But James didn't care, and he pulled the screeching cars sternly out of the station. The cars tried hard to make him give up, but he still kept on. Give up, you can't pull us, you can't, called the cars. I can and I will, puffed James. And slowly but surely he pulled them along the line, determined not to let them beat him. I'm doing it, he panted. I've done it, he panted. Hooray, it's easy now.